Good morning. My name is Vaishnavi and I am from Nasik. So I completed my degree in RS College of Engineering, and I came in Qspider through a incubation program. So the trainers are very helpful, especially the Shrikant sir and Vikas sir helped me a lot to improve my Java skills as well as SQL skills, which helped me to secure a good position in one of my reputed company. And so I'll definitely suggest to join a Qspider. So and also joining the Qspider will help you to improve professionally as well as personally. So when I came to Qspider, I was technically a zero, and after some month I built a technical background, and also I am confident about what I speak and my technical knowledge. So I'll suggest everyone to join Qspider and attend a Java training from Shrikant sir. He is a very good trainer, and also he guides a lot. And also the Vikas sir, Vikas sir also provides us a motivation to crack interview, and that's all about Qspiders.